The second thing you must do to become successful in your Forex trading this year is this. You must think in terms of risk. That is, you must think in terms of how much money is at risk in every trade you place. Every successful Forex trader always calculates their risk even before placing a position. You must know the dollar or the money value at risk per trade. That will enable you to determine if you can stomach such loss when it comes. Also, that will enable you to determine if your account can bear such loss when it happens. It will also help you to know whether the trade setup you're looking at is really worth it. Is it worth losing the amount that you want to lose? So, if you really want to win in Forex trading this year, take this to heart. Never place a trade until you have calculated the exact money value that you are risking for that trade. And if the money that you are risking is high compared to your equity or your account balance, then it is a red flag that you should not get into that trade. This is the secret to winning in Forex trading in this year 2024. Look out for the next video and I will share with you the third thing that you must do to become successful this year. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out in any of my videos. Cheers and God bless you.